Welcome to Manifested Publishers.
So the liverwort is a heart-shaped structure consisting of the rhizoids. So we have the rhizoid there. Can be able to see it there. Then there is this part that we refer to as the thallus that is not differentiated, and it's the one that consists of two parts. There is the upper part, we refer to it as the archegonia, and this one is the one that bears female gametes. Then we have this part, we refer to it as antheridia, and it's the one that bears male gametes. So basically, the whole of this structure here forms the gametophyte. Because it's the one that has the antheridia that bears the male gametes and the archegonia that bears the female gametes. Then we have the sporophyte up here. Yes, it's the same color. We have the sporophyte up here, and the sporophyte, just as we have indicated in the other diagram, it has a capsule that bears the gametes and it has the filament. In fact, we have a name for this filament. Let's just give it a specific name. It's called the setter. That's the filament. Let's call it the setter for both cases. It's referred to as the setter. So we have that. So basically, whatever we have up here is the sporophyte. So the part that is up there, the capsule, and the setter is the sporophyte. So generally, again, we can see that the liverwort shows the existence in two generations, the gametophyte and the sporophyte. The gametophyte bears the gametes, the sporophyte bears the spores.
Welcome to Manifested Publishers.